I traveled to Berlin, the capital city of Germany, with my family. Germany is a country in Central Europe, and Berlin is a city shaped by history, division, and reunification. Before we leave home, I explain this to my children so they understand why this city matters. My son asks, "Is Germany close to other countries?" I answer, "Yes, many countries are nearby, and that's why Berlin has always been important." My daughter says, "So people from many places came here." My husband adds, "And many things happened here." Before heading out, I show them a simple map on my phone. I point and say, "This is Germany, and here is Berlin, near Poland and the Czech Republic." My son looks closely and says, "It's like the middle of everything." I nod and say, "That's a good way to see it." When we arrive at the airport, everything feels calm and orderly. People walk with purpose, but no one seems rushed. My daughter listens for a moment and says, "People sound serious, but kind." I reply, "That's often how German culture feels." At passport control, the officer looks at our passports and then at the kids. He asks, "Is this your first time in Germany?" I answer, "Yes. We're visiting Berlin as a family." He smiles slightly and says, "Welcome. Berlin is a good city to learn history." My son whispers, "He was nice, just quiet." I smile. In the taxi, the city passes by in layers. Modern glass buildings stand next to older stone ones. My daughter points out the window and asks, "Why does every street look different?" I explain, "Because Berlin was rebuilt many times." My son asks, "Was something wrong before?" I answer carefully, "There was a war called World War II, and later the city was divided by the Berlin Wall." My husband adds, "This city had to learn how to come back together." The kids grow quiet, watching the streets. We start walking near the Brandenburg Gate. The structure stands tall and calm. My son says, "It looks important." I reply, "It is. The Brandenburg Gate used to stand near the Berlin Wall." My daughter asks, "So people couldn't walk through?" I answer, "For many years they couldn't." A local man nearby says, "Now it means freedom." I nod and say, "That's why it matters." We continue to a preserved part of the Berlin Wall. The concrete feels cold when I touch it. My son asks, "Why would people build a wall to stop others?" I answer, "Because fear can make people forget they are the same." My daughter says quietly, "I don't like walls." I reply, "Neither do I." For lunch, we stop at a small restaurant. The waiter greets us and asks, "Would you like traditional German food?" I answer, "Yes, but something children usually enjoy." He suggests bratwurst, schnitzel, and pretzels. My son says, "I know sausages, so I'll try that." My daughter says, "I want the big bread." When the food arrives, she pulls apart the pretzel and says, "It's chewy and salty." My husband says, "This feels like comfort food." I explain, "German food is made to be simple and filling." After lunch, we walk through Museum Island. I tell the kids, "This area holds many museums because Berlin wanted to protect history." My son asks, "Do we need to see everything?" I say, "No, we just choose one and take our time." Inside, we see old objects and art from many cultures. My daughter whispers, "It feels quiet." I say, "Museums help us listen to the past." Outside, the kids find a small cultural space with traditional German games. An instructor explains, "Children used wooden puzzles and balance games." My son tries one and says, "This makes my head work." My daughter laughs and says, "That's the fun part." I say, "Play can also teach." Later, we walk into local shops. Shelves are filled with wooden toys and books. A shop owner asks, "Are you looking for something traditional?" I answer, "Yes, something meaningful for children." She shows us handmade toys from Germany. My son says, "These feel strong." I reply, Quality is important here. In the afternoon, we visit a cultural center where children try traditional German clothing. The kids wear outfits inspired by lederhosen and dirndls. My daughter laughs and says, "I feel like I'm at a festival." My son adds, "These clothes look heavy but warm." I explain, "They were made for work, weather, and celebration." My husband takes photos and says, "They look proud." As evening comes, we walk through Alexanderplatz. Lights reflect off modern buildings. My son says, "This feels very new." I reply, "That's Berlin, old history and new life together." At dinner, the waiter asks, "Did you enjoy your day in Berlin?" I answer, "Yes, especially learning together." My daughter says, "I liked the games and the wall." My son adds, "I liked knowing why the city looks like this." My husband smiles and says, "That's a good answer." On our last day, we walk without rushing. I hold my children's hands and look around one more time. Berlin showed us that history can be difficult, but understanding it together makes it meaningful. This city didn't just show us places. It taught our family about memory, change, and hope.